In this video, I am going to cover the current carry-on policies for 4 U.S. airlines, plus give you 20 carry-on packing tips to follow. Also, at the end of this video, I will be unpacking my personal item bag and carry-on bag, which hold everything you would need for a week's vacation. Traveling with just carry-on bags can be liberating. Who want to be waiting 30 minutes for checked luggage after leaving the plane? No one. However, each airline has specific rules that can affect what you can carry on, so let's break this down. American Airlines, Delta, Southwest, and United Airlines allows 1 carry-on bag plus 1 personal item bag. All 4 airlines do not impose a weight restriction on carry-on bags. However, size does matter. For American Airlines, Delta, and United, a carry-on bag dimension should not exceed 22 inches in height, 14 inches in length, and 9 inches in width, including handles and wheels. Southwest Airlines gives their passengers a little extra luggage space. A carry-on bag dimensions is limited to 24 inches in height, 16 inches in length, and 10 inches in width. The personal item bag policy for all 4 airlines states, personal item bags must fit under the seat in front of you. For American Airlines and Delta, a personal item bag should not exceed 18 inches in height, 14 inches in length, and 8 inches in width. This includes items like purses, briefcases, or small backpacks. For Southwest Airlines, a personal item bag dimension should not exceed 16¼ inches in height, 13½ inches in length, and 8 inches in width. United Airlines policy states a personal item bag should not exceed 17 inches in height, 10 inches in length, and 9 inches in width. If you're flying basic economy with United on most domestic routes, you are only allowed 1 personal item bag. If you bring a full-size carry-on bag, you'll have to check it at the gate for a fee. However, this restriction does not apply to international flights. So that said, here are 20 carry-on packing tips before you go. 1. Check airline policies. Always double-check carry-on size restrictions before you pack. These dimensions can vary between airlines and may vary depending on your ticket type or flight destination. 2. Use a soft-sided bag. Soft-sided bags are more flexible and can often squeeze into tighter spaces than hard-shell luggage. Make sure your items are secured to prevent any leakage. 3. Prioritize your personal items. Make sure your personal item bag holds essentials like your wallet, travel documents, and any electronics. These items, along with your passport, should always be in your possession. 4. Wear your heaviest clothing on the plane. Save space by wearing bulky items such as jackets, boots, or sneakers during the flight. This one is so important. Depending on the weather, you may want to carry your jacket until you're ready to board the plane. 5. Roll, don't fold. Rolling clothes takes up less space and helps reduce wrinkles. This one is a preference. I prefer to roll some items and not others, and I will show you how that works for me at the end of this video. 6. Use packing cubes. These keep items organized and allow you to pack more efficiently by compartmentalizing your clothing and gear. Again, I organized my clothes by the day of the week I am wearing them, and if possible, hang them in that order. To each their own when it comes to organization. 7. Use zipper compartments. Many carry-on bags have zipper compartments that are perfect for storing small, easy-to-lose items. Just make sure you are not adding to the dimensions by doing so. 8. Pack versatile clothing. Choose neutral colors and clothes that can be mixed and matched for multiple outfits. If doable, this can reduce the pairs of shoes you carry as well. 9. Go miniature with toiletries. Pack travel-sized toiletries and only bring what you'll need. Make a list of all your toiletries and remove the items you can buy when you get to your destination. 10. Use a lightweight bag. The lighter your bag is, the more weight you can allocate to your belongings. However, the dimensions requirements should be what you are aiming for. 11th layer, flat items. Place flat, soft items like t-shirts on top of bulkier items to maximize space. You may also place these soft items in between your bulky items. And if your bulky items have pockets, use them for storing small items like socks and earrings. 12th bundle wrap. Wrapping clothes together reduces wrinkles and saves space. Thirteenth, plan for a laundry day. If you are traveling for more than a week, plan on doing laundry so you can pack fewer clothes. If you packed for a week, doing laundry will set you up for another week. 14, leave room for souvenirs. If you are planning to shop, pack less so you can fit any purchases into your carry-on for the return trip. Try wrapping your souvenirs with your bulky items to avoid damage. 15, use every pocket. If your bag has side or front pockets, use them for smaller items like toiletries, socks, or cables. 16. Limit shoes. Shoes take up a lot of space. Try to limit yourself to 2 pairs, one to wear and one to pack. Wear your sneakers or boots on the plane. 17. Vacuum seal bags for clothes. Compressing your clothes can save an enormous amount of space, especially if traveling to a place with cooler temperatures for which you will need to pack bulky clothes. 18. Choose a slim laptop case. If you are bringing a laptop, use a slim, protective sleeve instead of a bulky case. Select a case that can hold all your electronics. 19. Use a toiletry bag. A hanging toiletry bag with clear sections keeps your liquids organized and easily accessible for airport security. There is a link to one in the description below. If you have room, bring a few snacks for the flight. Many airlines now offer limited food options. Your best choice is to arrive at the airport early enough to buy a meal or snacks after you bypass security checkpoints. By staying informed about the latest carry-on rules and applying these packing tips, you can ensure a smooth and stress-free journey. Whether you're flying with American Airlines, Delta, Southwest, or United Airlines, being prepared will save you time, energy, and even money. Bucket List Travelers offers up-to-date travel tips and guides for travelers on the go. For more tips on traveling light, visit our website. If you are enjoying this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons now. As promised, I am going to unpack my carry-on bag and my personal items bag. This is a show and tell for sure. My carry-on bag is 19 inches in vertical height, 9 inches wide, and 14 inches in horizontal length. Let's unpack. The allowed dimensions for all 4 airlines are 22 inches by 14 inches by 9. My carry-on bag has everything I would need to wear on day tours and in the evenings for dinner. That's how I roll. Even though you have an itinerary, there is always at least one day when you decide to do something unexpected. So, that explains somewhat of how I have packed for my trips. I like to be ready for the unexpected. The goal is to avoid baggage fees. My personal items bag is 14 inches in height, 14 inches in length, and 8 inches wide. It fits perfectly under the seat in front of me. Honestly, I do not have to worry so much about that because we always book earlier enough to get an emergency exit seat, which has extra leg room. So we put our personal item bag in the overhead bin. Oh, and don't forget to work out. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy travels. Continue watching for more travel tips and guides.